Hi guys, I'm Miss Katie, and today we are going to be measuring the perimeter of some objects you might find around your house. So, for example, I have an ordinary piece of paper and a box from Mulan. It's the Mulan movie box. Don't look at the price. And we're also gonna do this special piece of paper that I have I vaguely measured this side before we started, but I don't know what this side is. So we're also gonna use this to calculate. Alrighty. So how do we find the perimeter of an object? First, the perimeter is defined as the total length of all sides of an object. For a rectangle, hi Jasper, my dog is under my feet. For a rectangle, you can measure all four sides if you want, but if you don't feel like doing that, you can measure this side, and multiply it by 2, because notice how these two sides are the exact same length. And then you take this side, measure it, and then multiply it by 2, and then add the two totals from multiplying this side by 2 and this side by 2 together to get the length of all four sides. So let's do this. First, I'm going to measure the upper length, and I'm going to round because it isn't quite 19. However, it's like 18.9 centimeters, and that's a bit too tricky. So in class, we're just going to round up, okay? So we add 19. And then since we know that this side and this side are equal, we can add 19 again, but I will show you in just a minute that I will measure it just to be sure, so you guys can see that those two sides are equal lengths. It may not be exact, because of the fact that I cut this piece of paper myself and my hand could slip. But it's going to be within a few millimeters because I don't slip that much. So I measured it and it is in fact the same length. So we add 19 plus 19. 9 plus 9 is, what's that? 18. Good job. So we put 8, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Nice. So 38 is this and this. So now we need to measure this and this. Well, we just do the thing that we did with this and just measure it once and multiply it. So first, we're going to do this. I'm going to show you guys a special surprise once we're done with this. If you're really, really good, and let me teach, okay? So 14 centimeters across. So 14. And then since this side is equal to this side, I'm going to add 14. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, now here comes the fun part. We add 38 plus 28 and 16 and 66. The entire perimeter of this object is 66 centimeters. P equals 66 centimeters. Ta-da! All right, so now we get to measure this. I already know how big this is because all pieces of paper, did you know that all pieces of paper that look like this have a standard size? Yeah, unless you cut it like it did this one. But all pieces of paper have a standard size. So first, we're going to measure this side. It is around 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters. So, since this side and this side are equal, we're gonna add 28 again. And then 8 plus 8 is 16, right? Carry the 1. And then 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 56. So this plus this is 56. Wow, that's almost as big as the entire perimeter of this one. Isn't that neat? Okay, now we're going to measure this side and this side. All right. I've just been singing all day today. Well, for the past hour, I've been singing quite a bit. All right, so 21.5 centimeters. Okay, 21.5 plus 21.5. 5 plus 5 is 10, right? You drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. So 43 centimeters is the length of this and this. All right, here comes the fun part. It's time to add 56 plus 43. 99 centimeters is the perimeter. Sorry guys, my dog is barking. Candy, please be quiet, okay? 99 centimeters is the length, is the perimeter all the way around the piece of paper. All right, how many minutes do we have? Does it say?
7:25.
Oh, okay. So that's all the time we have for today. How about you guys find a movie box at your house, ask your mom and dad to help you, and that is your homework for tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye. Here, bubble time.